Number 6. Bring up children. It means to raise children, teaching them as they grow up.
It takes patience to bring up children well. It takes patience to bring up children well. My parents worked hard to bring up 3 children. My parents worked hard to bring up 3 children. She's bringing up her children to be independent. She's bringing up her children to be independent.
Number 7. Bring up a family. It means to raise a group of related people, usually in a family setting.
They chose a small town to bring up a family. They chose a small town to bring up a family. Bringing up a family requires a lot of sacrifices. Bringing up a family requires a lot of sacrifices. He is proud of bringing up a happy family. He is proud of bringing up a happy family.
Number 8. Destroy buildings. It means to cause structures to be completely ruined or brought down.
The earthquake destroyed buildings across the city. The earthquake destroyed buildings across the city. War can destroy buildings and homes. War can destroy buildings and homes. A fire may accidentally destroy buildings if not controlled. A fire may accidentally destroy buildings if not controlled.
Number 9. Cheeks burn with. It means to have one's cheeks become red with a strong emotion, such as embarrassment, anger, or excitement.
Her cheeks burned with embarrassment at the compliment. Her cheeks burned with embarrassment at the compliment. His cheeks burned with anger during the argument. His cheeks burned with anger during the argument. The cold wind made their cheeks burn with cold. The cold wind made their cheeks burn with cold.
Number 10. Burst into song. It means to suddenly start singing.
She couldn't help but burst into song hearing the music. She couldn't help but burst into song hearing the music. The choir burst into song as the bride walked in. The choir burst into song as the bride walked in. He burst into song in the middle of the store. He burst into song in the middle of the store.